If I click on any cell, I see here formula in the formula bar. I can use formulas that reference linked data types. This allows us to retrieve and expose more information about a specific linked data type. So let's check out. Select these cells, press delete key, then active this cell, enter equal sign, click on this cell. Because this cell is online data source, Excel will extract information from this cell. Enter dot symbol, then select any field from the list, then type here any field name. I type here field name volume. Press enter key. Excel returns volume values all in other cells because these records are in an Excel table. I delete other columns. I can use the field value function to retrieve field data from linked data types like the stocks or geography data types. There are easier methods for writing formulas that reference data types, so the field value function should be used mainly for creating conditional calculations based on linked data types. I extract the name of exchanges in this column from this stocks data type by using field value function. Active this cell, type here exchange. Press enter key, delete these cells. Active this cell, click in formula bar, enter equal sign, type field value function. Double click on this function. This function has two arguments. In value argument, select this cell reference because this cell has online data. Enter comma. Type here in field name argument exchange. Inverted comma. Type exchange. Close inverted comma and close bracket. Press enter key. Excel returns exchange name for this type of stocks data. In the Excel table, if I enter any formula in one cell, Excel automatically pastes the same formula in other cells. As a result, I see field value formula in all other cells. Because in the earlier, I have converted these two columns into an Excel table. Resize this column. Next, I extract geography data from the online geography data source. First, open the browser. In the search bar, type list of world countries. Press enter key. Copy this data type. Then paste here. In this cell, type here country name. I remove these two rows. Then I delete these number values. Then delete these three columns. Then select this column, press Ctrl Shift down arrow, scroll up. Point on top border of this cell, then drag left. After that, click Insert tab, click on Table. Select My Table has headers. Resize this column. Now I can extract specific information by using Geography Online Data Source command. Click on Data tab. I convert this column into geography data types. To convert this column into geography data type, First select all the text in this column. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Then scroll up. Click on Geography Data Types. The error message shows some text data is not converted to geography data type. Click OK. Scroll down. I see here these countries' names are not converted to geography data type. Press Enter key. Then click on Select. Press Enter key. Click on Select. Press Enter key. Click on Select. Similarly, press Enter key and convert all these text into geography data types. So I have converted all text into geography data type. Resize this column. Then click on Add Column icon. First I select abbreviation field, resize. Then again click on this icon. Click on agricultural land percentage. Resize this column. So I can easily get information by using geography data type command. I see here the country China share percentage in the agricultural land 56.2%. Similarly, other countries. Click on area field. I see here in this column land area of all countries. Then click on disk icon. Click on calling code. Excel extract calling code for all countries from this column. Then click on capital. Excel extract capital name for all countries from this column. Then click on forested area percentage. I see here the percentage for country China for the forest area is 22.2% and the percentage of forest area in the country Japan is 62.5%. Click on gasoline price. In this column I see gasoline price in all countries. Click on largest city. I can view largest city for all countries. Then click on time zone. Then click on text revenue percentage. So by using geography command, I can extract a rich information from the online data sources. I saw in this stock sheet and I see here field error value. This is because of when a new column tries to reference a field from a data type record, but the record does not have any data for that particular field, the field error value occurs. So ignore this field error value. Next I create progress circle chart. This chart is very useful when dashboard is created in Excel. It helps to visualize data in the Excel dashboard. So let's create. First select the data source. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Donut chart. Click on title, press delete key. Then click on legend, press delete key. After that, click on any slice. Then click format tab. Click on no outlines. After that, double click on chart. I change the color of this slice. Select solid. Then I select this color. After that I select this slice. check solid. I change the color of this slice, this color. After that I insert here text box. Click on Insert tab. Click on Text box. Place the text box at the middle of circle chart. Then click in formula bar, enter equal sign. Click on this cell reference, press enter key. I format this value. Select all. Click on center alignment and middle alignment. I change the color of this text, this color. Increase the font size up to 36. After that, select this slice. In border section, select solid line. I change the border color, this color, and increase the width of border up to 13. Then select this slice. Select solid line. Change the border color. I select this color. Increase the width of border up to 7. Press enter key. Then click on series options. Increase the all size. I enter border width same for these two slices. As the border width for this slice is 13, I also enter the border width for this slice 13. Select this slice. Type 13. Press enter key. So if I change value here, I will see the size of this green slice will be changed and the value inside the circle will also be changed. Select this cell reference. I type here 80%. Press enter key. I see here green slice is changed. I also here middle value is also changed. If I type here 10%, I see the size of this slice is decreased and the value inside the circle is also decreased. Type here 90%.